Students, now we will discuss about two more topics, region and empire, and second is thinking about time and historical period. The medieval period saw the emergence of new kingdoms. The subcontinent was divided into several regions which were ruled by empires of different dynasties like Cholas, Khaljis, Mughals. By 700, several regions developed their distinct geographical dimensions and their own cultural characteristics. This means that the all dynasties, kingdoms, they had their own kind of social economic setup. Some were having the social structure like the Khaljis, Mughals, they had more Islamic influence on them, whereas the Cholas and the others Hindu kingdoms they were following the Hinduism. And when we talk about dimension, geographical dimension mean territories. So territories were increased by invading others areas or territories. So they used to have battles to invade the others uh, territories. Many dynasties were able to build an empire that was pan regional. This means a vast empire which was having a very large area under it. In the middle of the 19th century, British historians divided the Indian history into Hindu, Muslim, and British because there were no significant development other than religion of the rulers. The thousand years of history saw many changes. Each century was different in social, economic, and cultural development. So we can say that the historians they used to see the sources and they used to see the beliefs and practices of the different times. So we can say that every century was different from other, like 16th century was different from the 17th century, or you can say the 7th century was different from the 10th or 11th century. The medieval period is often contrasted with the modern period. So again we can say the historians whenever they have written the history about the past, they have taken care about these historical developments and they differentiated the uh, information on the basis of the cultural, social, economic, political developments.